Jai Hind everyone. Today is the fourth day of my lecturate challenge, and the topic of today's lecturate is the Indian Armed Forces. It includes Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. These three protects our country's land, skies, and oceans, and even in every possible situations like floods and earthquakes. Let's begin with the Indian Army. First, I talk about its motto, that is service before self, Seva Paramo Dharma. It means we all have to serve our nation first, then us. When I talk about its history, it is established on 15th April 1895 and the headquarters of Indian Army is in South Block, New Delhi. It comes under the Ministry of Defence. When I talk about the British Indian Army, after the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the British government started forming Sepoy regiment, and on the time our army divided into three presidency armies, that is Bengal, Bombay and Madras. Our army plays a big role in World War I and World War II. 1.3 million Indian soldiers served in World War I and 2.5 million soldiers served in World War II. In 1947, our army divided into two parts, Indian Army and Pakistani Army. In 1947 to 1948, First Indo-Pak War was happened. In this war, our army launched Operation Rescue and Operation Gulmarg was launched by the side of Pakistan. After that war, in 1962, First Indochina War was happened. But unfortunately, in this war, our country has faced defeat. Because on that time, our country just got independence and our army was weak. After that war, in 1965, Second Indo-Pak War was happened, and in 1971, Third Indo-Pak War was happened. Third Indo-Pak War was happened for the liberation of Bangladesh. In this war, the Chief of Army Staff was Sir Sam Manekshaw. We all know as Sir Sam Bahadur, who was the first person who achieved Field Marshal Award in 1973 for the leadership of our army during the Third Indo-Pak War. And the second person who achieved the Field Marshal Award was K.M. Cariappa in 1986. After that war, in 1999, Kargil war was happened, and in this war, our army launched Operation Vijay, and our Navy launched Operation Talwar, and our Indian Air Force launched Operation Sagar, Safe Sagar. Our country launched many operations, and one of the most important operation was launched recently in May 2025 was Operation Sindoor in the response of Pahalgam attack. Our army gives many honorary, courage and bravery awards like Paramveer Chakra, Suryaveer Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, etc. and many kind of medal. In 2022, Agnipath scheme was launched by our Indian government. In this scheme, Indian soldiers are inducted for short-term service, and our Indian soldiers teaches us unity, courage and sacrifice, and also inspires our youth to join defense services through NDA CDS and Agniveer schemes. To conclude, I want to say that we sleep peacefully because our Indian soldiers are awake at the border. They live for the nation and always ready for die if needed. In the end, I want to say that let's salute our Indian soldiers. Thank you so much for listening to me. Jai Hind.